Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of small woodcraft project ideas that are created in a single day on Woodworking World. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating small wooden craft projects in a single day offers an excellent opportunity for woodworkers of all skill levels to engage in their craft while producing functional and aesthetically pleasing items. One appealing idea is to craft a simple wooden phone stand. This project requires minimal materials and tools, such as a piece of scrap wood, a saw, sandpaper, and a finish of choice. By cutting the wood into a triangular shape with a groove for the phone to rest in, artisans can create a practical accessory that can be used on a desk, nightstand, or kitchen counter. This project not only serves a functional purpose, but also allows for personalization through the choice of wood species and finish, making it an ideal gift or a decorative piece for one's own home. Another engaging project is making a small wooden planter box. This craft involves cutting wooden boards to create a rectangular frame that can hold small plants or succulents. By assembling the pieces with wood glue and nails, and then sanding the edges for a smooth finish, woodworkers can produce a lovely addition to any home or office space. The planter can be customized with paint or wood stain, and even adorned with simple carvings or burn designs to add a personal touch. This project not only brings a bit of greenery indoors, but also allows artisans to showcase their creativity while working with different wood types, enhancing their connection to the materials. Creating coasters is another fun and straightforward woodworking project that can be completed in a day. By cutting circular or square pieces of wood from larger boards, artisans can craft a set of coasters that are both functional and visually appealing. Sanding the edges and applying a food-safe finish can elevate the quality of the coasters, ensuring they can withstand moisture and heat. Woodworkers can also experiment with different designs, such as incorporating inlays or pyrography to add intricate patterns or personal messages. These coasters make excellent gifts for friends and family, and they can also serve as an opportunity to use up small scraps of wood from other projects, promoting sustainability in the craft. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For those looking to create something with a touch of whimsy, crafting a small wooden toy, such as a simple pull-along animal, can be a delightful project that captures the imagination. Using a few pieces of wood, artisans can shape the body of the animal, add wheels, and even create a simple mechanism that allows it to be pulled along by a string. This project not only encourages creativity and design, but also provides an opportunity to practice various woodworking techniques, including shaping, sanding, and finishing. The resulting toy can be personalized with paint or non-toxic finishes, making it a charming gift for children or a unique decorative item for a playroom. Another quick yet rewarding project is building a small wooden shelf. This can be as simple as cutting a single board to the desired length and adding brackets or mounting it directly to the wall. Such a shelf can serve as a display area for plants, books, or decorative items, and it can be customized by choosing different wood types or finishes to match the existing decor. This project not only enhances a living space, but also allows woodworkers to practice their measuring and cutting skills, resulting in a piece that is both functional and stylish. Creating a decorative wooden sign is another idea that can be executed in a single day, offering a chance to explore personal expression through woodworking. By selecting a piece of wood and cutting it to size, artisans can then use stencils or freehand techniques to paint or carve inspirational quotes, family names, or other meaningful messages. Finishing the sign with a weather-resistant coating allows it to be displayed indoors or outdoors, adding a personal touch to any space. This project not only encourages creativity, but also provides a fulfilling way to share one's sentiments and values through craftsmanship. Wooden keychains are also an easy and quick project that can be completed in a day, perfect for beginners looking to hone their skills. By cutting small pieces of hardwood into various shapes, artisans can create unique keychain designs that reflect their personalities or interests. Adding holes for the keyring and finishing the edges with sandpaper ensures a polished look. These keychains can be personalized with initials or small designs, making them thoughtful gifts for friends and family. Such a project can also serve as a great way to use up leftover wood scraps, promoting sustainability while creating something useful. Another engaging small project is crafting a simple jewelry box. This can involve cutting a few pieces of wood to create a basic rectangular box with a lid. By incorporating dividers inside the box, woodworkers can create compartments for rings, earrings, or other small items. Sanding the edges and applying a finish not only enhances the beauty of the wood, but also protects the surface. Artisans can experiment with different joinery techniques, such as fingered joints or simple butt joints, allowing them to practice their skills while creating a treasured piece that can be used to store personal items or given as a gift. For those interested in incorporating functionality into their projects, making a small wall-mounted key holder or organizer can be a practical and appealing craft idea. This project involves cutting a rectangular piece of wood, adding hooks for keys, and possibly including a small shelf for mail or other items. By personalizing the organizer with paint or wood stain, woodworkers can create a piece that complements the home decor while serving a practical purpose. This project allows artisans to explore design and layout, ensuring that the final product is both functional and visually appealing. Finally, crafting wooden magnets can be a fun and creative way to spend a day in the workshop. By cutting small shapes from wood and applying magnets to the back, artisans can create unique fridge magnets that showcase their personality or thematic interests, such as animals, quotes, or abstract designs. Painting or staining the magnets adds a personal touch, and this project allows for a wide range of creativity, as woodworkers can experiment with shapes and colors. These magnets can serve as delightful gifts or personal keepsakes, adding a touch of artistry to everyday life. Small wooden craft projects present an excellent opportunity for woodworkers to engage with their craft in a meaningful way while producing items that are functional, decorative, and personal. From phone stands and planter boxes to coasters and pull-along toys, the variety of projects available allows artisans to explore different techniques and styles in a single day. These endeavors not only foster creativity, but also provide a sense of accomplishment, as each completed piece reflects the skill and passion of the woodworker. Whether creating practical items for everyday use or whimsical designs that spark joy, the world of small wooden crafts is rich with possibilities, inviting artisans to express themselves through the timeless medium of wood. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for small wood craft project ideas that are created in a single day on Woodworking World. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.